So glass and half of a lemon, cayenne pepper. So the first thing what we're gonna do is get our juice, squeeze out first from the lemon. Obviously, we need to get this out the way. Lovely. So once you do this, you get your glass right here like this, all right? And you're going to put that lemon juice into it. All right. I like to be honest with you, I like to use a lot in it, but I'm just gonna use that amount. Then what we're gonna do, we're going to get roughly about half a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper, all right? And put it straight inside of the glass, like this. And then we're going to get some water. All right. And now we're going to get some black seed oil. For option, you don't have to, but you can put it inside of it. Option. We're gonna put a few drops in it. And give it a mix. And once you mix it, you want to drink this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. You can drink it up to 5 working days, 10 working days. Depends on your immune system, all right? If you're allergic to it, then I would say do not use it. If you're on medication, make sure you seek medical advice, all right? Yeah. So, cayenne pepper, lemon juice, water, and some black seed oil. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Never go wrong. All right, guys.